Is there a ratio between food and exercise? I used to believe it was 80 to 20 food to exercise, and I was even told 50 to 50 and even 70 to 30. But here is what's most important. Mental health, work-life balance, social interaction, healthy relationship with food and your body, and stress management and adequate sleep. So why? Well, firstly, health and fitness is more complex than you think. It's more than just exercise, diet, and nutrition to get you towards your goals. If you leave your mental health unchecked and it sucks, well, you can eat well, but you may not be able to exercise. You can exercise, but if your mental health sucks, then you're not going to have good diet/nutrition because you may have a bad relationship with food. If you don't have a good work-life balance, you may never seem to prioritize activity, sleep patterns are disrupted, and energy levels are low. You also may never be able to put yourself first. When you have a lack of meaningful social connections, it leads to physical and mental health issues including heart disease, chronic illnesses, and even premature death. With the right support system, good mental and physical health can be achieved. Without resting and active recovery, you would not see much progress with exercise and nutrition. You also risk injury and reduced performance. After physical activity, the body needs adequate recovery to repair and rebuild. If you're stressed AF, you won't see much results either because it leads to serious health issues. Having good nutrition isn't enough if you binge eat or don't have a good relationship with food and your body. By viewing food as nourishment rather than guilt, shame, or punishment, this will promote more balanced, nutritious foods and reduce the risk of disordered eating. With this mindset, you'll also feel comfortable listening to and acknowledging your hunger and fullness cues. A healthier relationship with your body reduces mental health issues and improves overall well-being. Avoid negative self-talk and harmful comparison and accept and value your body. And this is why I cannot give a general answer because everyone's bodies and goals are different. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. If you are needing the support for weight loss and or getting started on your fitness and health goals, coaching support is available around late September to early October. Whether it's in a group setting or one-to-one, you get customized training, nutrition, accountability, action steps, and lifestyle support. At the end of it, you'll also have long-lasting results that stick. Basically, we will work together to develop a customized plan that takes into account all facets of your life, from food and exercise to sleep and stress. After all, your daily real-life responsibilities, stress levels, and work/family dynamics affect how well you're able to integrate new, healthier habits. I'll take your physical, emotional, and lifestyle factors into account and fit the way you live, ultimately leading you to permanent positive change. If you'd like to get started at least on your weight loss or fitness and health journey, join my free Facebook group at the comment section below.